So guys, this is another mushroom. Can you see? Very fresh. This morning another mushroom soup is going down. Understand? Free gift of nature. Free gift of nature. Original meat. You understand? So I want to go and dress up. I'm going to market right now. Today is Wednesday. May market. Guys, sorry for the dark place. This bulb is down. So I'll talk to you guys later. Let me just dress up and head over to May market. See you when I'm back. So guys, today is May market and I'm back from May market. This is evening time because I wanted to leave this bag to do it tomorrow unboxing, but the way these children are squeezing their face, please, I want to give them their belongings so that I can rest now, so that they will also rest. You understand? So in this bag is a Christmas thing. I want to do DIY Christmas tree inside here. So wait for the video. It will soon come up. Tomorrow I'll do this video. So inside this bag I have this big bag here, which is Okirika clothes. You understand? So join us, let's unbox it. I hope you guys are hearing me because generator is on. Everybody has open eye, open ear to see what is inside bag. Okay, this one is towel. So this one is towel. I bought this towel. It's like the old ones.
Yes, this one.
I bought this towel for 225. No, 2,000. If I'm not mistaken, either 2,000 or 2,500. That is what I bought this towel. You understand? That is number one thing. So in here is polo. Keep. In here is polo. What is blocking this one? This thing, guys, sorry. So I have here polo. Minus this one. Pink. Red. Guys, I need to sort it out because sorry. What is food?
Henry, not finished now. Henry.
I don't think this one is Henry. Oh yeah. It's your daddy, not me. It's your daddy, not me. So those ones is your own. And inside this one, why did you go back before? They were saying Henry, and you felt disappointed. And you what? Why?
I thought my clothes was inside.
You thought that night that your daddy bought clothes for you? Did anybody talk anything? So in here I have peg. I bought peg because this is Harmattan season. That when you spray clothes, the clothes will just fall down and follow you. So I bought this peg to use and be pegging clothes.
Like this?
Yeah.
This is the type of pen that I'm supposed to use. Use it and make robot and
Yeah, making noise in my ear. So here is another set of clothes. Now guys, things are wait, everything don't cost. All the honor, small thing that you will touch, they will tell you price. Not even with a smiley face. If you are not buying, drop it. Honestly, but it's well. God will keep providing. So this one is great.
Jesus.
Don't make noise. Don't make noise. Vicky, you take. Will you shut up your mouth? Wait, let me put this on the can so that I will know how it is.
Great, don't wait.
Wait, don't wear. Wait, don't wear yet. Guys, one very, very strong clothes. I'll beat you. What is Jesus? Who is shouting that Jesus? See your own. See your own. Great, great. Wait, I'll give you. Wait. See your own. See your own. Great. Hold it. Be holding it. Yes, be holding it. And this one is great. This one is great. And this one is I think it should be great on. It's great on. So this skirt is Vicky on. Are you the one that bought it? This one is Vicky on. So the clothes are very nice. My goodness, this one is cancel. This skirt is treasure one. Hold it. So another bag. So this one is jean trouser. This one this should be treasure. See your own way. See your own treasure. Very clean clothes. This one is Henry own, and this one is Henry own also. So this one is so guys, we have come to the end of this our unboxing, so that I will rest from these children. So what you have to do is you go and tell your daddy thank you for the clothes. So have you see your own. See your own clothes. See your clothes. I think I'm free now.
Yes.
So guys, we have come to the end of this video. So you guys have to go and tell your daddy thank you for the clothes that he bought for you, and pray for him for more money so that you can go another Okirika market, you understand? Because you know they belly food. Clothes not the belly, you need to be buying things, you understand? So guys, see you guys in our next video. Bye. Please engage on our vlogmas video. See you guys later. Wait for our DIY Christmas tree, you understand? See you.